Namaskar, myself Pratik. In this session, we are going to discuss the problem statement for trigger assignment 2. Let us start this session. In this assignment, you have to write a trigger on customer table, and this table has 6 columns, and the columns are C number, second is meter number, third is previous underscore reading, then we have current underscore reading, units and bill amount. So there are 6 columns. In this case, user will insert the value of only C number, meter number, previous reading and current reading, while the value of units and bill amount will be automatically calculated by the trigger. And the value of units and bill amount should be inserted along with the supplied values of columns C number, meter number, previous reading and current reading. My point is this: user has to supply the value of 4 columns. The user will supply the insert statement like this. You can see that user is supplying the value of 4 columns, that is C number, meter number, previous underscore reading and current underscore reading. The value of units and bill amount is null. The value of 2 columns units and bill amount will be calculated by trigger, and when actual insert operation is performed, the value of 6 column will be inserted in the database. The value of 4 column will be supplied by user. The value of 2 columns will be calculated by trigger, and when actual insert statement executed, these 6 values will be inserted into the database. In order to calculate the value of units, previous reading should be subtracted from current reading, and bill will be charged according to following rate. For first 100 units, the rate is 0.5 rupees per unit, and after this, user has to pay 0.75 rupees for each unit consumed. It means for first 100 units, the rate is 0.5 rupees, and for each extra unit, that is each unit above this 100, will be charged 0.75 rupees. In this assignment, you have to write the code and implement this trigger. We will discuss the solution of this problem in next video session. To work more on similar kind of problems, you can refer my book Simplified Approach to DBMS, which is available on Amazon platform. I request all of you to subscribe this YouTube channel to receive latest video tutorials on data mining, machine learning, DBMS, big data, NoSQL and many more. To learn SQL in a simplified way, you can join this free online course on SQL, which is available at Udemy platform. I have also authored books on data mining and data warehousing, NoSQL, beginning with SQL and PL/SQL for beginners. All these books are available on Amazon platform. To read more about this, you can refer my website pratikbhatia.com. Thanks for watching this video.